Greetings and salutations, YouTube. I'm here at my friend Neil's place. You'll see him in a few minutes. And we are performing a bit of an interesting procedure on his computer this evening. We are gutting one computer and moving said guts into another computer, and in the process, as I understand it, we are changing his motherboard to one of the saber-tooth motherboards. So what we have here, the reason why we're doing it is because, as you can see, there's a bit of a space premium here. So like this drive in here, which is solid state, it can't come out. It keeps butting up against the cooler here. So we are going to be replacing this case, which is really not that big, with a somewhat larger Lian Li case. Okay, this is the... That's Neil and Joey. And you just heard Neil's signature move. This is the case we will be replacing the small case with. This is the PC7FN by Lian Li. And it's aluminum, and it is super duper light. One arm, nothing with nothing. And, you know, here are the list of features here. You can pause it to take a look. And removable front panel, obviously.
Horatio.
Yay. Alright, here we go. This is the actual case. It's aluminum. It's similar to the thermal take up here. Looks like a USB 3, USB 2.
And two nipples.
Mm-hmm. And,
He's going to be editing me out, isn't he? I'm going to be edited.
Yeah. And this is how it comes. They don't even bother including this. And, backspace there.
The rear plate.
So one of the things Lian Li does really, really well
Suck it in.
is they,
What?
They seem to really take care of the edges, so you don't have to worry about slicing your fingers up on them. They tend to
Some of them. Some of them they guard.
Sand
some
them
of
down.
They don't. Actually, this is
grommet holes,
interesting. Here's a new fan guard.
thumb screws.
Not as easy as I would hope.
Yeah. I'm just going to open up the side here.
Ah, here we go. Hey, a non-standard size fan. Lovely. For all your dusty needs.
I see it.
Dust.
What is it?
A fan.
Well, thank you, Dick Tracy. What size?
I'd say 60 or 80.
Probably closer to 80.
Nah, maybe 100.
There we go. And here it is. Here's the inside.
Yeah,
accessory case, drive bays. That's the slot.
Oh, this spins.
PCUs.
I have to figure out how, but it does.
Oh, well, we'll record that too.
Doesn't it? I thought
Very
it did.
nice.
Very
nice.
Here's an interesting choice, putting the...
That seems to be par for the course.
Yeah.
Actually.
So how does this spin? I was
So
wrong.
apparently it doesn't actually spin, but when you want to remove one of the drive bays, you unscrew this thing, lift
and it
up,
lifts up,
and pull.
you pull it out.
And it's got the mounting brackets for
Yeah.
smaller ones and larger drives.
Smaller? Yeah, actually.
Yeah, 2.5. No?
Yep. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. This is how you mount the hard drive, the CD-ROM drives.
Ooh, cool.
Well, now this is kind of weird because they only give you 2. Even though there's more here. So there are 2 that are actually toolless, the rest are not. As evident also by the fact that they put this here. The 3 1/4 inch 5 converter is screw-in, which a bit of a letdown, but not terrible.
No,
Actually, this one is the brother or sister, however you want to word it, to the what is it? What's the number
This
on
is
the box?
the P7FN.
P7FN, there's a
Yeah.
P6. And the only difference is apparently the bezel at the front.
So, all right. So we're gonna get started and mount that motherboard. Yeah. Okay, this is a saber-tooth because this is a saber-tooth. So we're doing a little unboxing here. Oh, they're whispering things.
Lightly damaged. Thank you, Micro Center.
Yep, slightly.
Hey,
And
cheap.
there it is. This is the AMD version. So you can see here.
Yeah, and it does 8 cores, except I only have a 4-core.
Components. Yep. Easy BIOS, complete USB 3, and there you go.
Oh, that's gross.
And there it is.
Oh wait.
This is the motherboard we will be using, and yeah, you can see it's a clearance item because it's open box.
Thank you, Yoni. Okay,
Yep.
hold on.
Yep.
Wait.
What?
Okay. 8. Where is it? Okay, USB 3 header, which is surprisingly rare currently. Actually, very unusual. But this has 8 serial ATA plugs, which is pretty good considering most don't.
Only 4 RAM DIMMs though.
Well, yeah. But this is actually interesting also that only one lane
16?
port. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we can take it out of there if you want to.
Yeah, go ahead. Do it.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, now actually, what is a crime about this board is, considering you're paying $200, the peripherals are not. Well, I didn't because I bought it on sale, but considering you might, the peripherals are not very impressive. You have a lot of SATA cables, and you have the back plate, but that's standard. And you get a nice little sticker that says, I'm a Uber geek.
Tough inside, the ultimate force.
And you get that, what is this, SLI?
That's SLI. Well, actually, it's going to be Crossfire because this is AMD.
Okay, Crossfire.
Yeah.
But that's it. There's no back plates. There's no USB 2 plate. There's that, which is just for plugging in all your front of the case to the motherboard. So you set it up once. This is actually a really cute thing.
Yeah.
Because you plug it in once and you can unplug it and not have to redo everything. This is nice.
Not as feature rich as some other motherboards, but this will get the job done.
And not a standard color either. This is actually kind of funky in its coloring.
It's what's a
military
black,
looking.
2 different shades of brown.
You see the damage here?
Oh yeah, there's that. And they're right there too.
Uh-oh. I think that's dirt. God damn.
We hope it's dirt.
Hey, if this thing doesn't turn on, this video won't go very well.
Here's your problem right there. Okay.
That's
hold on, let me get the
weird.
back. Let me
Wait
get the
a
back
second.
here.
What is that? Well, I think I need my master mechanic here. Or someone who knows more about electric work than I do. Joey! Great. Why is there glue here? How bad is this motherboard? Do you see all the weird stuff in there?
It's called schmegma.
Oh God, shut up.
Schmutz.
Schmutz. Schmutz is better.
Oh, is this that used board you bought?
Yup.
Thank you.
Why is that memory slot damaged?
Daddy had a bad night last night. No, but do you see the actual glue in here? I mean, there is something in there. I'm sorry. Nope. As a mild-mannered reporter.
He's getting the glasses. Look out.
Superman!
All sorts of stuff.
So, we're
Pot!
gonna we're gonna have a better look at this and determine if this is worth it. We have determined that schmutz was actually heat sink compound. You can see
Heat sink compound!
Yeah. Here, hold on one second. You can see the remains of it right there, and we're trying right now to get the rest of this gunk out so that the processor will go in.
And we're using the highly advanced tool called a toothbrush. I can't figure out how to do this. If anyone knows a good way to get heatsink compound out of little holes...
Dried heatsink compound.
Yeah, let me know. You can post comments at the bottom of this video calling me a complete idiot. And I would not disagree with you at this point. I've never seen anything quite like this. I could use compressed air, but that would just blow it in. I can't think of a way to blow it out. Truthfully, I don't think it's a problem anyway, because all the compounds should be pushed to the bottom by the actual CPU pins. That's what I'm hoping. Otherwise, I'll be having sporadic problems.
Spontaneous restarts and what have you. Oh, look out. Here comes the air. I'm just going to back off a little bit because this is going to mess havoc with my microphone.
Okay, now, kids, how do we use compressed air? Like this. Yes, you could do that, but that will get you into a hospital rather quickly. See? Not for inhalation. Not for the party users, okay? Apparently, though. Whatever. Alrighty, so let's see what we're going to do. We're going to hit it.
Yes, the snake is going to blow on it.
Notice how I do it in short strokes. Alright. Shut up. Alrighty. Well, for the most part, it looks like I got a lot of it out. Now I'm confused between my psoriasis and my, yeah, that's just heatsink compound. Alrighty. So, alright, whoever on the board before me, let's count their sins, shall we? First off, they cracked this. Now, this is interesting. There isn't matching lockdowns on this side. It's just these. So, this is actually cosmetic damage. It really won't matter because I don't believe it interferes with the locking mechanism. I hope. If it does, law returns. So here's what I was talking about. Oh, when they give you a nice little thing, they actually tell you what each serial ATA thing is. So these are all 6G, what is that?
6
gigabit per second, and these are the 3 gigabit per second ones. The black.
For Legacy.
Yeah. Cool little heat
That's
sink.
the South Bridge.
Yeah, they make it look like an engine part. Yeah.
And there's your North Bridge, and...
Yeah. It's very similar to their other models of motherboard, just given a like a nice jazzy, kind of militaristic kind of look. These are interesting too. The
lockdowns.
Yeah, they're not. Usually there's just a little flip to lock down the video card. These are more complicated.
Okay. Alrighty. Well,
No
we're gonna start.
little caps on it either.
No.
Oh, you're right. Actually, these caps don't look like they'll pop, right?
They can't pop. There's no vent slices.
Okay, so what happens when a transistor blows? This is why Joey's really good. He knows electronics better than I do.
So those are very good capacitors. They're not standard, cheap electrolytic caps that you're seeing popping on motherboards all the time nowadays.
Oh, and we've worked on some Dells, and those things just explode, and it looks like just
Basically shrapnel
dirt
everywhere.
No, just dirt coming out.
It's like Jiffy Pop popcorn, Neil. Right?
Okay. Oh, look, a lead. Okay. All right. Well, we'll start messing around with this and see what we can figure out, and guess that'll be that.
Yep.